Today we're going to draw
Cakey.
from Gabby's Dollhouse. So this is our Gabby's Dollhouse character series where we try to draw all of the Gabby's Dollhouse characters, right? So we drew Mercat already. And now we're going to draw
Cakey.
Awesome.
He's so cute.
Yeah, Cakey's the cat that's a cupcake, right? And we're so glad we practiced by drawing a cupcake in our how to draw a cupcake video. We're gonna use some of those skills in this video too. So if you haven't checked that out, feel free to check out our how to draw a cupcake video too. Okay, well let's begin. Okay, we're going to start by drawing Cakey's head. And Cakey is part cupcake, so his head it kind of resembles icing. There's a couple of bumps in his head. So we'll make sure we draw that part too. But we'll start with the ears first for this one. You ready for that? So draw 2 points, kind of like a triangle, right? But let's start with that first. So one triangle on this side, and don't connect it on the bottom, and another triangle on this other side. And those are Cakey's ears. Yeah, and we're going to connect it with a curved line right here. Just like that. Great job. And because he's icing head, we're going to draw one little curve down and then one more curve on the bottom, okay? So let's draw a small curve down from the bottom of his ear. And another one on the other side, okay? And now the second curve is gonna be bigger than the one you just drew. So let's connect that one with one more curve down, a little bigger, and another one on the other side. Great. And on the bottom right here, we're not just gonna connect it with a line, we're actually going to make little bumps for the cupcake top. Remember that from our cupcake video? Perfect. So we'll just keep drawing bumps, kind of like a continuous M, the letter M. So let's draw some bumps like this. Okay, great. And then we'll draw the cupcake body by bringing a diagonal line down on both sides. So one diagonal line like this, and another one on the other side. And then we'll connect it on the bottom with a slight curve line. Okay, great. And then before we do the arms and legs, we'll go back to Cakey's face. So right in the center of his face that we just drew, we're going to draw Cakey's nose. And what kind of nose does Cakey have?
A sprinkle nose.
Yeah, he has a sprinkle nose.
I just want to eat him.
Okay, so draw a small line to the side, a sideways line, and 2 little curves down, and connect it. So it's like a little sprinkle, and we can color that in later. And his mouth, well, let's bring down a couple of hooks for his snout, and a little smiley for his mouth. Okay, great. And then let's draw his eyes now. So 2 round circles on either side of that nose. You're fast. Okay, and then here's where our cool gel ink pens come in again. Remember these from our Mercat episode? Yeah, so art along friends, we're going to use our gel ink pens for the shine on Cakey's eyes, but feel free if you don't have any gel ink pens like us, to just draw a smaller circle on the side of Cakey's eyes, on the top left corner like this, and then just color in the rest of the white spot on Cakey's eyes. But for us, let's color the whole eye in, because we're going to use the gel ink pens to make that shine. Okay, so putting my marker aside, bring your white gel ink pen. And these are Ohuhu gel ink pens that we got from your auntie. And they're so fun to use for these little shines, huh? Okay, so same thing, we're going to draw a circle on the top left corner on both of Cakey's eyes, and then color the circle in. Okay, and then we're actually going to take our silver pens too, for a little bit more shimmer, and draw a curved line on the bottom right of Cakey's eyes. Make it a little thick for some extra glimmer and shine. Ooh, I really like the silver one.
Me too. I like the golden one too.
Those are nice too. Okay, so let's bring our black marker pens again and draw the rest of Cakey's sprinkles. So on the top of Cakey's head, he has 3 sprinkles, one facing down like this and 2 diagonal like this. So we'll draw a small line down and 2 curves and connect it to another line down. So we're kind of making a rounded rectangle almost. And then draw another one on this side on the right, but diagonal, pointing towards the top middle. And another one on the other side, pointing towards the top middle, but it's slanted the opposite way. Right? Great! And now for Cakey's whiskers. And what are Cakey's whiskers?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles! We're having a sprinkle party pretty much here. Okay, so we're going to draw the same kind of rounded rectangle, a little bit bigger, but on the side of Cakey's head. Okay? So one here, and make it a little curve and out like this. Little curved rectangle. And another one. And draw 2 on the other side as well. Great. Awesome. Now for his paws and legs. Okay, so we're going to draw one rounded paw here and another one on the side here. Okay, so a round curve and in, and try to make the outside part a little bit plumper than the inside, if you can. All right, good job. And we'll do the same thing, but for his feet. So 1, and a little bit shorter too for his feet, and 2. And what's special about Cakey's paws?
They're sprinkles.
Yeah, they're sprinkles. Okay, so we'll draw another one of those rounded rectangles. We've got lots of practice now. And then 3 little circles for his sprinkle paws. Same on each side. And there's Cakey! And as we decorate, we can add little diagonal lines in the cupcake body so that it can show that the cupcake body is kind of, what is it, cringed? That cringe look. Okay. Oh, you can do it with your black one too. Awesome. Should we get coloring? All right, everyone. Art along with us. I can't remember which colors I picked for each of my Sprinkles. There's so many colors, huh? Are you gonna color Cakey's body?
Not yet.
I might not. I feel like we don't have something that's light enough. Because this gray is a little too dark, I feel like. I might do some shadows or something instead.
That gray's not dark.
It's not too dark, but I really want Cakey to be white.
I'm not gonna color her head. I'm gonna leave her white.
I think I'll do the same.
But you already colored her.
Oh, I'm just doing some of the shadows since I started. What's Cakey's favorite thing to do?
Bake?
Yeah. Do you like baking?
No, not really.
Really? I actually didn't know that.
Oh, I'm actually almost done coloring her.
What? Oh, but you haven't done her cupcake body yet.
Yeah. I'm almost done though.
You better hurry.
Take your time.
Do you like cooking then?
Yeah.
You like cooking better than baking?
Yes.
Okay. Can I borrow one of your colors?
Yep.
Strawberry pink.
Okay, I'm done.
I think you need to make a sprinkle party though.
Yeah.
Sprinkle party! Isn't that what Cakey loves?
I need rose.
Yeah, you need to make a sprinkle party. Okay, so you're eating gummies over there.
Says who?
Says my eyes. Would you eat gummies over sprinkles?
Yes.
Oh. What about cupcakes?
No.
So cupcakes are better? I think we've had dessert conversations before too, right? I'm gonna write Cakey's name. Cakey.
How do you write sprinkle party?
Sprinkle. S-P.
S-P.
R. I. N. K. L. E. Sprinkle. Party. P-A-R. T-Y. Are you really excited for the episodes coming out? New season?
It's coming out on the 17th.
What day is that?
I don't know.
What if it's not on the weekend?
Then I don't know.
Then you have to wait longer.
Well, the 17th, let's see. And it's Tuesday. Okay, let's see. Comes out on Monday, I think.
Monday? Oh no! What are you gonna do?
Hold on. Sorry, it comes out on Sunday.
It's on Sunday? Oh no, I wrote party. Party. There you go. Yay! What do you think?
I love it.
We drew Cakey from Gabby's Dollhouse.
Yep.
Join us next time as we draw... What are we
DJ Catnip.
We're gonna draw the DJ? Okay, cool. So join us next time, Art Along friends. See ya.
Bye.